trying to film and shit. Anyways, what's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube. Welcome back to 2816 actually. I'm here with Joseph. Can you see him? You probably can't. But what's up guys? Welcome to 2816. I am in the M4 right now. If you guys didn't know that this is my vehicle. And then I actually have the Mustang right now chilling behind me because we are actually on our way to install an X-pipe on that thing. It's nutty and it's gonna get even nuttier. What are we doing?
X-pipe. We gotta get a before and after. Ready?
Yep. Yeah.
It's supposed to get louder.
Oh my god.
We gotta pull these two down so we don't have to pull those hangers out. But then we gotta pull these hangers out. Unbolt it up here, it all comes down, we chop it, throw it back up, and it's good to go.
Unbolt these and then just have these
hanging?
pretty much dangle.
Okay, yeah.
And then we can just take this and just lower it and then just...
Alright, yeah,
Slide
cool.
it out.
I don't wanna hit that, it's gonna be so hot. What's up guys?
Basically.
So basically, we're unmounting the half semi-stock exhaust right now, and we're gonna cut out the resonator and throw in an X-pipe. We're just pulling the mounts out now because we don't have a what do you want to call it? What are those?
Exhaust hangers?
Exhaust hangers. Yeah, we don't got the puller.
Ooh, okay.
There you go. And that's how it turns.
How do you feel about this? I would have preferred to keep it stock.
I would have kept it stock in my opinion.
Says the guy with the stage 3
yeah,
can.
says the guy with a huge can and loudest exhaust I've ever heard.
Dude, putting your headers in
Yeah, I was gonna say, how long did it take you guys to put them in?
like 2 days.
It was literally 1 day to take them off and 1 day to put them in. Oh my god! You actually see me although we were trying to put the jar side in, I literally almost gave up. I was like, I don't know what to do. I can't drive it without a header.
Right.
I can put your car in gear from here.
Don't do that. All right, measure 4 inches like my.
I was gonna say, that's pretty easy. Already used to it. This puppy back in there.
Perfect. All right, well, let's do. How loud do you think it's gonna be on a scale of 1? Like, what do you think?
I'm thinking. I'm gonna go with. I'll go with the solid like 8.5.
8.5?
8.5. 8.5.
All right.
From experience, I'll say about 9.
About a 9?
Oh, no.
All right.
See, I don't have experience on this yet, so oh man. Ready?
Yep.